Oh my god.
I don't know what she was trying to say.
It's not good.
If you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit that red notification bell. Hi, village.
Hey guys.
Welcome to our table or our car. So today we went to go see the Jonas Brothers in Dallas. And of course, Sierra found an In-N-Out Burger.
I had to.
I think we're in Desoto.
I have no idea where we are.
We're on I-35.
We're in Texas, I know that.
We're on I-35 East going towards like Waco, Waxahachie, then Waco. And yeah, so we had to stop. It is 12:30 at night and we have In-N-Out Burger.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So I got a normal hamburger. Of course, she had to be keto and...
Although I am going to eat one French fry. It has the sauce on it.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That's so good. Here, I'll hold
Hey, yeah, you take that.
so you'll be tempted to eat anymore.
Yes. So I got the protein style. They just put lettuce on it. Wrapped in lettuce. We're so hungry, y'all. The concert was super good. We're actually parked outside, right in front of the store. So these cars are coming through the drive-thru.
Yeah.
We were fortunate enough, since it is 12:30 in the morning, we wanted to park kind of close to the building, but now we have all these drive-through lights. The cars are shining through. We apologize.
Sorry, guys.
We'll try to put something right there. Oh man, are you putting more sauce?
Yeah.
Just show that. She just put more.
It kind of tastes like... so good.
It was good without like all the extra. Okay, here we go, guys. Oh, look, that one little piece is like in your way. Look at that. Man. Woo. It was worth it. Are you going to eat all those fries in front of me?
I'm gonna eat it so you won't.
Oh, she's going to eat it so I won't. Okay, well, there's a lot of lettuce here, so I'm going to have to... Oh! I'm going to have to work my way down to the burger.
So good. Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm about to devour this.
She's putting more.
This In-N-Out sauce is like cane. It's so addicting.
The cane sauce.
Well, it doesn't taste like it, but it's like...
I know.
It's addicting like that.
It's like a...
Kind of low-key tastes like a tartar sauce to me.
Like, you know those spreads? It's kind of what it tastes like. Wow, there is a lot of lettuce here, which is good.
So good. Guys, we literally have not eaten. Well, we ate
On the way, just barely.
and that's it.
It's just quick. We were afraid we were going to be late.
Yeah.
Those onions are good. I'm going to have onion breath.
I got hot chocolate. It's disgusting.
It's 52 degrees.
No, but their hot chocolate is good though.
That's big. I had to like open my mouth wide. You know what I mean? It was a big bite. Okay, let me have one more french fry.
I'm not having any french fries.
She's eating them so sabroso, which means so
Yummy.
yummy.
I've never had them like this.
Like they're so tasty. I don't think whenever I've brought In-N-Out home from Austin, by the time he gets home, it's all soggy, and I don't think I ever brought french fries.
No, you didn't. You brought me some bootleg hamburgers too.
Because they were like this. And so 3 hours later, they were all soggy. We can post that video right here. She was not happy with me.
I was really mad. Yeah, their hot chocolate is so good. I have no onions in mine because I hate onions.
Y'all, this is good.
Okay.
I told you. It's hard to bite the whole thing. Welcome to all of our subscribers, and thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we post a video or we go live.
Oh my god.
I don't know what she was trying to say.
It's not good.
I don't know what she's trying to say. It was good?
It's not good.
Huh? I have no idea what she's saying.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I swear I just dislocated my jaw. I'm like one of those monsters on scary movies where I like Pennywise from It, the first one, where they like dislocate their jaw so they can eat a kid.
Okay.
That's me.
Y'all, thank you for being with us on our journey to 1,000. Yay. I got it all over me. This is so good. But it's huge.
So good. So they finally have In-N-Outs in Houston.
But
they're like on the outskirts of Houston.
And it's like an hour from us. 45 minutes to an hour. So we haven't been there yet.
It's super far. Like, why would you put on the outskirts? Like, you need to put one like in the smack dab like Heights area. It'd still be far, but
yep.
I'm sorry there.
Yo, we apologize about these cars back here. We wanted to be in a well-lit area.
The thing is, how it is midnight.
Yeah, 12:30. Y'all, I tore up this burger. Oh, it's so good and it's hot.
And the bun is so crunchy. It's getting me hot and heavy just thinking about it.
Your bun is crunchy?
Like
what?
Toasted.
Oh, on the inside. Okay, I was like, I don't think that's a good thing.
Oh. No, it's just toasted.
So when you get it bunless, it's so juicy. And you get it with lettuce, they call it protein style.
Yep. Thank you guys so much for following us. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell So when we go live, you get alerts about our amazing videos. And when we go live, our lives are very eventful.
Yes. Oh, and since we were just at the Jonas Brothers, we'll post some pictures throughout this video.
Yeah.
And maybe some video of the